Okay, I think that's it, huh? Okay. I think this is it. In the snow. Yan. Wala na. Alright, time to go home na kami. Look at that, guys. Ang ganda talaga. Yes. Okay. It's not allowed to video over there, so kukunan ko na lang dyan. Yan ang tubing. Yan, kaya lang hindi pwedeng mag cellphone over there sa taas. Okay. Okay. Poor thing. Sorry. Hello, ayan oh. Ito anong pangalan nito? We're gonna do tubing. We're gonna do a tube right there. Okay, aakyat kami doon. Tapos mag-slide kami doon. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Okay na, are you ready?
Yeah, are you ready?
Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna put my bonnet, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you hold this? Gonna change my bonnet. Oh, kunin mo muna ako dito. Para dito ako. Hi! Magtutubing kami. Okay. Gusto ko yung umuupo tayo sa... Hi, hello! They're here. Stephanie's friend. Stephanie's new friend. Shiny. Oh, near. Hi, this is Boboy. I'm Lynette. Thank you. Nice meeting you, girl. All right.
Thank you so much for
Here she's with us. All right. It's so scary. Look at that. Oh, man. It's too high already. Oh, you know what? We are already on the top of the hill. Wow. Thank you. Can you be with us in our video?
Yeah, sure.
Hi, we have friends.
Oh, it's not showing up.
Wait. Wait, I'm so tired. Oh, we walk so much. Oh my God. Aray ko. It's so nice. Oh, look. That's so cute. Wow, it's so nice. Hindi mo ko ready na. Hindi pa makuha yung ano. Hey guys, it's so beautiful. Hello. It's so beautiful. Over there. Over there. Ayan, oh, naglalaro kami ng snow. Ayan, snowball. Matigas. Matigas. Boy. Wow, tingnan mo, naglilinis siya, oh. Yan. Bagong hire yan dito. Tingnan mo, oh. Ayan, ang dami snow. Ayan, nag-i-snow siya talaga. Okay. Enjoy. Okay. See? Ang ganda. Don't miss the opportunity. Because it's really cute.
Oh, took a picture with me, man.
Oh, tika, mag-gloves ba ako? Ah, hindi. Maglalaro ako ng snow. Oh, mag-snowball ako. Wow! This is so cute, guys! Woo! Ang ganda! Wow, it's so beautiful. Kaya ikutan mo na. Buti mo na. Wow, guys! Wow, beautiful! Ah, beautiful! Ay, look at that! Ay, grabe! Oh. Yeah, it's going so fast. Ay, nakakatakot yun. Ano yan? Sasakay ka ba dyan?
No, that's the rail that goes on.
Ah, yan ba yun? Oh, wow guys. Dito kami oh. Heavenly Resorts. Dito sa Tahoe. Ito yung aming pinuntahan, which is really beautiful po. That's why I wanna share with you my experience. Wow, oh, dyan na yung snow. Mag-snow na tayo. Okay. Alright ko po, ang ganda. Look at that, oh. Tingnan nyo po. Kukuha ako ng snow. Ay! Wow, parang sugar lang, oh. Oh, ang ganda. Okay. How are you guys doing again? Oh, grabe ang nervyos dito. May nininervyos dito, grabe. So, yan. Down there. Galing kami doon sa baba. Ayan.
Alayo rin ng ano, no?
Say hi. Yan, nervous yung mama dyan eh. Yan, he is very nervous. Nervous talaga yan, yung mama dyan. Oo, pataas, pataas, pataas. Huwag ka sandal doon ay sa likod. Mamaya dyan, mabukas. Lord, thank you. Ah, grabe itong experience na to. I love this, I love this, I love this. Doon pa sa taas po, sa taas. And then, look at down there. Wow, the view. Wow, yun doon kami nanggagaling, oh. Wow, Lord. Oh, grabe, oh. Thank you for this. Wow. Talagang adventure talaga ito. Oh. Wow, ayan lang, anak. Ah, ang people, supposed to be maglakad sila dyan. Dito akyat, hindi na. Mahirap.
Like everybody gets
Go
the
up,
ride
we ride
up,
in the cable
and
and
then
then
whoever snowboards and skis just goes down.
okay. Yan oh, sa taas oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wow, ang pataas. Parang you cannot believe that when you are down there. Like how high is that?
Yeah.
Can't believe that we can reach this far. Wow.
Uy, mag-record ka na para may aerial ka.
Thank you. Uy, ano nga man?
2.4.
Yeah,
2.5.
pataas na kami ng pataas. Look at that. Mag-iingay na lang ako dito. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Hi! It's so nice. I'm Carl. Thank you, Lord. I have to experience this. Wow, look at that, guys. I'm so excited. Look at that. It's so high. Ala, si Papa natatakot yun eh. Lord, 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 please. Baby, that's all right. Thank you. Alright, thank you, Steph, for bringing us here. Wow, it's so beautiful. This is a great experience in my life. Oh my gosh. My age right now. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon agad dito. Hi, mga kapatid. Nandito ako. Ayan, hala, ang sarap, ang ganda. Oh, hindi ko naman makita doon. Oh, yan, ang ganda no. Ang ganda yung view, anak. Tapos
You can see it on your way down.
ay, ang ganda.
Because we'll come back to the
Pataas,
same
Papa,
way.
pataas. Yan. Hello, hello. Hello, guys. Okay, I wanna share with you. Wow. We are here in Heavenly Resorts. This is at Tahoe. Wow, tingnan nyo. Okay. Ang ganda. Okay, ay, okay. Ilang minutes